little water and a little love. You're the ground for my roots and my life from above.
Okay, it's springtime and you'd like to be getting stuff from the garden, but as you can see, you're at this stage just getting seedlings here, getting going. So, but what can you get from the garden? Follow me. It's springtime in Chicago, and what does start growing? The grass. You can see we need to cut our lawn, but here's the thing that you actually can start harvesting if you had already started it. This is chives. I started in this pot probably 5 years ago, and they come back every year, and here we are, too early for everything else, but chives, there you go. What you can do is start them in a pot, and if you leave them outside, they will actually survive the winter here in a place like Chicago. Or you could start them inside real early, put them out, and they will start growing about the time your grass is growing. First thing from the garden. I'm John. This is a little Chive Talkin here.